Good morning, all of you. At last, we study about the cyclic, non-cyclic and some cycles. So in dark reaction, the cycles are occur. That is the C3 pathway. C3 pathway is nothing but the Kelvin cycle. उसे C3 pathway भी कहते हैं, containing 3 carbon compounds. And second one is C4 pathway. C4 pathway is nothing but the containing 4 carbon compounds. It is also called as HSK pathway. HSK means 3 साइंटिस्ट का नाम है, उसको HSK बोलते हैं, H, Slack and Korslak. These are the 3 scientists, German biologists. And it is also called as dicarboxylic acid cycle. Di means both the carbons are present, that is the C4 and C3. C4 mostly occur in mesophyll cells and bundle cell occur in C3 pathway. So this is called the C4 pathway. And last cycle is nothing but the CAM cycle. CAM is nothing but the cradulation acid metabolism cycle. In this cycle, mostly occur in cradulation family, Euphorbiaceae family, Asclepiadaceae family. In this cycle, the opening of stomata during the night time and closing of stomata during the daytime. So, then last study about the photorespiration. Photorespiration is nothing but the respiration of chlorophyllous tissues in the presence of light. In presence of light is called photorespiration. So, in this, some points are regarded, that is the PEP and rubiscose are 2 carboxylating enzymes present in C4 plants, because this plant contains the 4 carbon compounds. And 2 carboxylating enzymes in C4 plant is separated with respect to space. First stable product of C4 pathway is OAA. पहला जो स्टेबल कंपाउंड रहता है C4 में, वो ऑक्सैलोएसिटिक एसिड है, उसे कहते हैं OAA. दैट इज द एब्रिविएशन फॉर्म, शॉर्ट फॉर्म. मैलिक एसिड from mesophills is transported to bundle sheath through plasmodesmata, and in malic acid on decarboxylation forms the pyruvic acid. Minimum CO2 for carboxylation reactions are 1 to 2 ppm for PEP case and 50 ppm for rubiscose. Name the enzymes which converted oxaloacetic acid to malic acid, that is the malate dehydrogenase. All these are the enzymes. Name the enzymes which converted oxaloacetic acid into aspartic acid, that is the transminase enzymes. C3 pathway, that is the containing 3 carbon compound during the C4 pathway occur in bundle sheath cell. First we study about the C3 pathway and C4 pathway. Both comes together, they form the C4 pathway. Means bundle sheath cell and mesophyll cells. During CAM pathway, malate gets accumulated during the night and stars get accumulated during the daytime. Means that is the during the night time, stomata is open, and during the daytime, stomata is closed. That is the cradulation acid metabolism cycle. In CAM pathway, the 2 carboxylating enzymes is separate with respect to time. During CAM pathway, C3 pathway occurs during daytime. Average CO2 in atmosphere is 0.03 to 0.04%. If the CO2 concentration is increased above 0.05%, then the rate of photosynthesis will be decreased. Law of limiting factor was proposed by Blackman, and during photosynthesis, NADP and ADP moves from stroma to grana region. Stroma mostly occur in dark reaction and grana mostly occur in light reaction during this process of photosynthesis. Thank you for watching my video. Share it and like it. Thank you.